This video shows the proper installation steps for the GOJO CXT dispenser. Please read all instructions carefully before installing and using the dispenser. Prior to installation, read the instructions thoroughly and make sure all parts are included. Also, find a suitable place to mount the battery box that will not interfere with plumbing or wiring for the dispenser. If you are replacing an existing dispenser, remove all equipment both above and below the counter, and confirm that the counter hole is between 15/16 inch and 1 1/4 inch. If you are installing a new dispenser, drill a 1-inch hole in the desired location and clean the area thoroughly. Insert the data cable and shank of the dispenser assembly through the counter hole, making sure the spout of the dispenser points into the sink. Press down firmly to secure the dispenser to the counter. From underneath, thread the lock washer and mounting nut over the data cable and onto the dispenser assembly shank. Tighten the mounting nut securely against the counter. Remove the front cover from the battery box. Using the predetermined location, use the back plate of the battery box to mark and drill the pilot holes. And fasten the battery box to the wall. Install the batteries in the battery box and secure the front cover using the 2 screws provided. Keeping the data cable out of the way, align the motor assembly bottle support with the dispenser assembly shank, and press firmly until the slots on the motor assembly and dispenser shank line up. Secure the motor assembly to the dispenser assembly shank by inserting the retaining clip through the vertical slot. Connect the data cable and the power cable. You may want to use the wall clip to secure any extra length of power cable to avoid tangling. Feed the dispensing tube through the motor assembly bottle support and dispenser assembly. Align the 2 indents on the bottle with the matching indents on the support and snap into place.